Morning folks, Waz here, B&B. Here we have this mega long VW Crafter, brand new. Customers brought it down from miles away, seen one of our posts. So normally I take pictures. In this case I'll try to do a little vlog for you. Alright, keep in touch. This is what we're going to install. Soundproof both doors thoroughly. Got the Alpine 11, also using the full Alpine kit. X-Fire amplifier to run the fronts and the sub. Some ambient kit, U3000, Meta track, deadlock with immobilizer, Alpine speakers. It's a fair bit of work, keeping all the factory features, parking sensors, rear camera, etc. Folks, vehicle being stripped. Gonna start on some bits here. Keep you informed. Here we have the Alpine tweeter and the grille cut in. Construction on this, pretty solid. Here's a door card, back of it being soundproofed. And here is one of the door cards having a trial fit. LED up there, neon tube, LED in there, and LED down in here. Okay, so Alpine screen in, all the connections done, cameras are done, just got to position them. Most of the lighting now is done. We've added a subwoofer down by here, temporary, because this panel is going to be removed and the full camper then is converted, and then we'll find a new position for that. So that's the stage we're at. Okay, so we're all done. Door illumination.
Yeah, we don't get angry, we don't get even. We don't talk about beef for the way that I mentioned I just turned vegan.
Deadlock, tracker, Alpine 11-inch, working with all steering controls. In this case, all the data there working. Factory reverse camera working. Steering controls working. Dash cams done. Illumination done. Subwoofer installed and the amp installed. What can I say? Well done, B&B Audioconcepts. Okay folks, time for the ambient demo. This is our first Crafter with ambient demo. And there we go. Door handles, pocket, bigger pocket, lower pocket, dash, floor pan, and there's some on the other side as well. It's too big to walk across. You know who to call.